just fine.
So that's south, right?
Yeah, isn't it? I mean, I don't...
Hello, my name is Senior Master Sergeant Brent Kenny. I'm with the 53rd Air Traffic Control Squadron here at Robins Air Force Base. And through the Air Force AFWorks program and working with the RSO office, we were able to work with the civilian sector to acquire these actual solar fabric. The solar cells are not just like your typical panels that you see like on the roadside. They actually own the patent to weave the solar technology into the fabric. So with this, it's given us the ability to become more lighter and leaner as we, as a mobility unit, respond to either downrange or home country incidences. The unique thing is this little 10 by 10 piece of fabric that you see behind me will actually create enough power to power the mobile TACAN or the mobile navigational aid unit that you see beside it. Had we had this technology just a few short months ago, like when Hurricane Michael came through and devastated Tyndall Air Force Base, this would have given us the capability to cut our fuel that we would have to take with us, load on an airplane, and operate with. Projected initial projections for fuel cost savings is roughly around 50%. In complete darkness, the actual battery that's being charged by the sun will actually operate that TACAN for 2 days. So had we had this technology when Hurricane Michael devastated Tyndall Air Force Base, it would have given us the capability to be able to move a lot leaner, because one of the biggest and heaviest things that we take with us every time we go out the door is our own fuel. So having this system right here will give us the capability to estimatedly to cut our fuel savings by almost 50%. That's the initial estimate. So even like when we spun up for the Bahamas humanitarian aid disaster relief effort, we had to take 30 days worth of fuel, and that was almost 2 entire aircraft pallets worth of fuel. Had we had this system, we could have cut that potentially in half or greater as we move forward in the future. So working with the RSO office, when we initially laid out this plan for them and through the AFWorks program, this system's actually modular. So we actually designed a 10 kilowatt system, which is almost enough to power the average home. So as our needs grow, we can actually add additional solar cells, and they just connect together to provide more power for the unit. So from any of the deployable assets that we have, from our mobile air traffic control tower all the way to new deployable assets and new mission sets that we're spinning up here in the 53rd, this is going to become a tremendous asset for us as we move forward in the future. What you see now is not going to be the end product. This is just version 1.0. If you're familiar with the AFWorks and the RSO, I think it's a 3-phase concept. So as this moves forward, the material that we have now will get lighter and leaner as we collect data and send back information to the company and say, hey, we need this to happen or we need that to happen. So we're really excited because what you see now, it's totally tailorable, and it gives us the ability to expand and grow to our needs as we move forward.